Basic operations on number basis. Addition of binary numbers. Now we are going to take some examples. The first question here, calculate the following in base 2. That is, this number, they are in binary already. We asked to perform this operation. And this operation has to do with what? Addition. Now, when you want to add binary numbers, you start from the back, which follow the principle of normal addition in mathematics. You must note this. Note, when you have 1 base 2 plus 1 base 2 is the same thing as what? 1, 0, base 2. Why are we having this? Now, normally when you add 1 plus 1, what do you have? That is 2 normally. So we cannot have 2 in base 2. Because of the fact that for binary number, the constant digits include 0 and 1 only. So in this case, when you have 2, you have to convert back 2 to base 2. Now let's look at it together. This is 2. Now, if I convert back in base 2, let me convert. 2 divided by 2, what will I have? 1, remainder 0. Then, what will I have? If I divide by 2 again, is 0, remainder 1. Now, taking it from the top, from the bottom to the top, rather, what will you have? We are going to have what? 1, 0. You can see 1 base 2 plus 1 base 2 is equals to 1, 0 base 2. Take note of that. Now, we are going to apply this principle in this addition. From the back, 1 plus 1, that is 1, 0. Then you are going to write 0 and carry 1. Now, 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then 1 plus 1 again, what will you have? 1, 0. That is in base 2. Then you write 0 and carry 1 again. Now, 1 plus 1, what will you have? That is 1, 0, base 2. Then plus 0, what will you have? It's still 1, 0, base 2. Then you write what? 0, then carry 1. Now, you have 1 plus 1, what will you have? That is 1, 0. Base 2. Then you add another 1. You can see. Let me show you. 1, 0 plus another 1. What will you have? 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then what will you have? 1. Then this is in base 2. Now it means that 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Then plus another 1. That will give you 1, 1 base 2. Then you write here 1, 1. So this is the answer in base 2. So it means that the addition of this is the answer. The answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. That is the solution to the problem.